Hello, welcome to my channel. I know how to. If you're looking to build practical tech and data skills, you're in the right place. Today we're going to cover virtual machines. It's a short step-by-step guide on setting up, configuring, and utilizing virtual environments for developing, testing, and more. So let's first talk about Anaconda and Conda. Anaconda is a distribution of Python and R for scientific computing and data science. It includes the Conda package manager, and many pre-installed packages. Conda is an open source package management system, manages package dependencies for various programming languages, and virtual environments are crucial because different projects require different library versions. So the benefits of a Conda environment is project isolation. You can easily share your project's exact environment and you can avoid system-wide package clutter. I'm going to briefly go through how to install Anaconda, how to create a virtual environment and activate it, and how you can create a package management system and an environment and delete a environment. So to go over how to download Anaconda, you can go to the website www.anaconda.com/download. I've also located an awesome YouTube video to kind of walk you through how to install Anaconda. So you can certainly search for it. And once you go on there in today's video, it's going to show you how to download it on Windows 11 on a desktop computer. So you can open up your browser and then you can type download Anaconda. Then you want to open up the very first link and then you can skip the registration and then click download. From there, you can save the file where you want to download it and then wait for the file to be downloaded. And after it has been downloaded, you can just click on it. Now you want to minimize your browser and then click next. Click I agree, next, and then choose where you want to install it. Then click next again, click next, and then it will install itself. And you just have to wait. After it's been installed, just click next a couple times, check that, and then finish, and then wait. Then Anaconda is going to automatically open for you. On the first time, it can take a little time. So after you've opened it, you can go to Jupyter Notebook and go to your Python code there. And that's how you download it. But we are going to be looking at Anaconda Prompt. So you can always subscribe to this very useful channel for more information on that. So the next thing the next thing we're going to do is after you've installed Anaconda, you definitely want to add Anaconda to your path environment variable. Um, it's recommended that you leave unchecked for beginners on the path, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. This is how I set it up. So I'm going to also use a YouTube video. You can reference this YouTube video in search by typing how to add Anaconda path to environment variables. But what you want to do is make sure that you search for this YouTube video. It's very helpful. After you download Anaconda, first check to make sure the environment for Python has been installed. So go to command and then you need to type Python in the command prompt. If you don't see that it is recognized, that means the environment variable is not set. So now let's go set it up. Let's go to the control panel. Then you want to go to system and then click advanced system settings and then click environment variables. And then under system variables, you want to select path. Now, once you click on that, this is the place where you want to provide where the Python exe has been installed on your system. If you've installed Python in Anaconda, you will need to provide two parts, one path for Anaconda and one path for Python. So to get the paths, type Anaconda prompt and then type where Python. And from there, you can just get the path right there where Python has been installed. And it'll install automatically because you've installed Anaconda. And now you want to also type where Conda, and it'll also give you that path as well. You want to copy both paths into your variable path. And copy the second Conda path and then paste it there. Great. Now click OK and click OK again. And now you can close out the command prompts, open the command prompt again, and type Python. And now you can see your system is able to recognize Python and you can see the version of Python that is installed. So that is all. Great. So I hope you found that helpful. You could go to YouTube and take your time if you need more time with that. So now is time for a demo. All right, so in this demo, we're going to first just confirm we have the Python version installed, and you would just type Python. So we have version 3.912 already installed there. So let's go ahead and create our first virtual machine using Conda. So I want to get out of this, and I'm going to type Control Z to get out. Okay, so I'm going to say Conda create. I'm going to use the name tag. I'm going to say my virtual environment. And I don't have to type this because I already have this version, but I'm going to make sure my virtual environment has the same version that I have in the base. All right. So it is creating my virtual environment, which is great. All right. So now while Conda is installing the packages, it will ask you if it's okay to proceed. You want to select yes there. And just so you know, Conda environments are typically stored in a location like your user, your name, backslash dot conda backslash envs. You generally don't need to manually interact with this folder unless you want to remove an environment by deleting the folder directly. Okay. So after this completes, now we want to activate the virtual environment and install some packages. So let's use Conda again. We're going to use activate my virtual environment. All right, so now that is activated. Now you want to install some packages here. I want to show you that I have a file that already has some packages in there. I'm going to show you what that looks like. It's a requirements file that I've created. Let me spell that correctly. So this is a very old file. I'm using this for an example. So I'm going to add all these packages to my environment. And trust me, I already know there's some conflicting packages because this is a rather old file, but I just want to show you how to install a lot of packages at one time using a file. So you can do pip install or requirements.txt. And there you go. All of them are going to install at the same time. And it's a good idea to install the latest versions, which I haven't updated the versions on here. So now that we've installed packages, now I want to show you how to deactivate your virtual environment. And so you can just type conda deactivate. And after you have deactivated it, now you can delete your virtual environment using conda my virtual environment. All right. So, oh wait, let me see. Conda. Oh, it looks like I got a typo. All right, so let me correct that. All right. So great. So now it has removed. So that's all for this video. I generally love creating these how-to guides. This video is my hobby and a fantastic way to sharpen my skills. I'm excited for the day that I can transition into a full-time role, but you know, patience is a virtue. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials and connect with me on LinkedIn. I love to hear from you. See you in the next video.